Hi guys, I am Ranjit Kate and I want to ask you one question. Do you know how important it has become to have good skills in advanced Excel, MIS reporting and data analysis nowadays? I bet it has become very important because data is growing nowadays like a hell. It's like a huge data. Now, I will give one example. If we compare two persons, one who has good skills in this domain and one who is not having enough skills or just a basic skills in this domain. So you will find that the person who has good skills in this domain has got a very good chance to land in a good job, or if they are currently working, so they have good chance of growth in their current job as compared to the person who is not having the skills. And you will also find a salary difference of 20 to 25% between these two persons. One who is having will have a good salary as compared to the person who is not having it. So why don't you get serious and think about updating your skills in this domain? So our course, Certification in Advanced Excel, MIS Reporting and Data Analysis, addresses this issue very well. So this is a live course. This is not a recorded course. I repeat, this is a live course. This is not a recorded course and offered by the best expert faculties. And I, Ranjit Kate, I am one of the faculties. Along with me, I have my colleagues.
Hi, I'm Babita George.
Hi, this is Jayashree Gandhi.
And we have 10 plus years of experience, and at TechCraft we have trained thousands of working professionals working in hundreds of multinational companies across the world. Okay, and all have benefited from our course. You can check our course reviews on our website also you can check on Facebook and Google. So they are there. So now let's check few of the course contents. So we have VLOOKUP, we have HLOOKUP, we have index, match, we have XLOOKUP. Okay, we have pivot tables, pivot charts, power pivot, we have dashboard techniques, we have complex logical formulas, we have database functions, relative and absolute referencing, advanced charting techniques for data visualization, we have data protection, data validation, data consultation, data cleaning, conditional formatting. Then we have macros, running and recording macros. In data analysis, we have what if analysis, we have forecast, and we have much more in this course. So we have this is a feature packed course. We have tried to include whatever is required by a working professional in a multinational company. Okay. So this is not just about learning formulas and functionalities of Excel, but this is also a reporting course where we have finance reports, we have sales reports, we have payroll report, we have expense budget, we have inventory report. So we will be teaching you how to apply these tricks and techniques on the reports, okay, so that you get to know how to prepare better reports. Okay, so this is all about the course. And now what benefits you will get out of this? So what you will be getting from us, as I can say, now you will be getting training from expert faculties. That's what I'm repeating. Then the sessions will be live, they will not be recorded, and your queries will be solved by the trainers during the session. And after the session, you will be getting recordings of the session so that you can revise it again. You will be getting a certificate from TechCraft. You will be also getting a lifelong access to our course, which you can access from our website, and also from our mobile application. Plus, very important thing, we have a good support team to support you during your course. So any query, any issue will be solved by our support team. So what do you think? Are you serious about enrolling to this course? So it's time to update your skills in advanced Excel reporting and data analysis. So please go ahead and enroll for this course. Thank you very much.